Good afternoon, everybody. It's just another average stacker, and it is time for an old fashioned unboxing. What did we get? Be right back and I'll show you. All right, guys, it's just another average stacker, and it is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. It is about almost 5 p.m. on Eastern Time, and with the lack of boxes, the difficulty of getting boxes right now for my $half hunts, I figured I would go ahead and do an unboxing video. I wasn't going to do this, but things kind of started showing up in the mail that I had forgotten that I had ordered, since there's been some shipping delays on some different things. And I figured there was enough here to go ahead and make this an interesting video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start out with the least interesting and work towards the most interesting. At least I think that's the way it'll end up coming. And wanted to just first start off with placed this order just this past Saturday. Showed up in the mail yesterday from somebody that I've done multiple purchases with. It's a private seller. And we picked up $10 face value of quarters and $5 in dimes, another $15 in constitutional silver to be added to the stack. And it's actually, this is the stuff that ends up coming out to you guys during the $half hunts. So we were starting to get a little low and wanted to make sure I didn't end up running out. So I went ahead and got those in the pipeline. And like I said, it ordered Saturday afternoon, in the mailbox on Monday. Probably the most I've spent on constitutional silver to date, but the market is what it is right now. Then I had something that I picked up, which is this 10-ounce silver American bar. And you can see the hatch marks on the back. And I actually jumped on this very quickly, a little too quickly, because if I had actually read it a little bit more carefully and what it was selling for, I probably would not have ordered this. But it's here nonetheless. So that'll go into the stack. And so another 10 ounces to the stack. And then we get into this package here, which this was absolutely hilarious because I received a direct message from the seller that listed a tracking number. And I was like, I think this is for the wrong person, unless I forgot about something that I ordered from you. And sure enough, I had forgotten about something that I had ordered. And he likes to use tape. Extremely good seller. I've bought from him. I've sold to him. And I know there's probably some paperwork in here. And we'll get rid of that. And as you can see, it's all wrapped up very carefully. There's definitely never been any questions with regards to his packaging. That is for daggone sure. If you're interested, shoot me an email and I would be more than happy. And then another package inside the package, let's see if we can get this open. Eventually I'll get down to where there's actually something to show you guys. But this is his typical of packaging. And I'm going to pull this out because it's got my name on it and stuff. And it's completely sealed again. Good grief, my friend. He definitely does not. All right, now we can actually get somewhere. And what we have are 5 2 pounds. And this is a limited series, rock series of the band Queen. So we picked up 5 of those. Let me go ahead and throw one of these underneath the scope so we can get a better look at it. And if I don't knock my scope over, and I'm hoping I don't get too much reflection off of the capsule. Let's go ahead and just turn that off. There we go. And let's go ahead and make that a little bit bigger for everybody to see. All right. And the smudges that you see are definitely on the case, on the outside of the case. But we got the piano keys up at the top. And the microphone and the guitar. And you can see the edge lettering going around there. 2020, 1 ounce fine, silver 999, and it's just repeating that over and over around the edge there. With Queen Elizabeth on the obverse. And 2 pounds. We picked up 5 of these, and I will be collecting these going forward with the rest of them. And then this package showed up today, which I seriously was not expecting yet. This was an order that I had placed about a week ago and was told that it was going to be 10 to 15 business days on the shipping. So for this to arrive today, 8 days later, which is 5 business days later, was quite surprising, to the point where I was really questioning what it actually was. So I hope I'm not making a fool of myself by opening this up and it not being what I think it is. But I'm pretty sure I know what it is. And I'm going to pull out paperwork. Rather large envelope that it's in again. Additional safety measures. And yes, this is what I thought it was. And we got some booklets and all kinds of sales literature. And we've got a package that says coins enclosed. Let's take a look and see what we got inside. I am very, very excited about this. Look at those beauties. Let me get that zoomed in a little bit for you guys, because that is just absolutely beautiful in my eyes. It's my largest purchase that I've ever made in a single purchase. Come on, zoom. And this was something that I've wanted to do for quite some time, but couldn't quite make the funds work. But we've got 10 1/10 ounce gold American Eagles. Absolutely gorgeous. This was an at-cost deal through Nationwide Coin and Bullion Reserve. I happened to lock in my price over the weekend just before everything started to skyrocket. So I picked these up for $165 each. And right at the moment, I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do because these are going for quite a bit of money today. Let's take a look underneath the scope because I'm very, very curious at these beauties. I want to see a little bit close up on these. It's amazing how tiny a 1/10 ounce gold coin actually is. And these do appear to be 2020s because I really wasn't sure if that was going to be the case or not. And I remember when that one looks like a 2002. So it does look like there is a little bit of a mix of the coins, and I can actually see a little bit of difference in the toning, the newness. So it appears that we have 8 2020s, and we've got a 94 there and a 2002 there. These are all BU. Let's take a look at the reverse on these. And that's just some dirt. Let me wipe off some of this dust from the packaging. And you know what? Let's get some real looks at this. It deserves it. Picking up a full ounce of gold is something that I don't do. So these are 10 $5 1/10 gold coins that I will likely be flipping probably 7 of these, bringing my out-of-pocket expense for the 3 down very, very low. I could do 8 and have 2 free ones. And so I'm actually curious to see what you guys think I should do. Hold on to all of them at a great price, flip some of them to cover my costs completely and hold on to 2 of them, or do half and half. So let me know in the comments below what you think about that, and we'll go ahead and get this moved back. Technology is great, except for when it isn't. So, anyhow, guys, that's going to be our unboxing for today. Like I said, we picked up an ounce of that beautiful yellow metal. Where'd you go back to that? Stop that. My zoom backed off. There we go. So we've got 1 ounce of gold. We've got 5 ounces of premium silver rounds. Coins, should I say, because these are actual coins. We've got that 10-ounce American flag bar and that wonderful constitutional silver of $15. So, guys, make sure that you hit that thumbs up for me. If you're not already subscribed, please, please join the channel. Let's get up over that 1,000 mark. Share the video. Invite your friends. Let them know about the channel if you don't mind. I would greatly appreciate it. And it sounds like we will be picking up our boxes either Thursday afternoon or Friday. So keep an eye out for my upcoming announcement for my next live stream. I will be picking up 4 boxes, probably Friday afternoon. So keep an eye out for a live stream for Friday night. And we will talk to you all soon. Thank you very much for spending your time with me tonight. Talk to you later.